Rasta Monkey Part A should sound something like this. Now there is a little bit of hand movement and we're going to break it down, which fingers to use, and etc, etc. Okay, so first step, going to start with finger 1 on the 3rd fret top string, and you'll notice on the PDF there's a little dot under the music note itself. That means staccato, so the note mustn't sound like this, but like this. Very short, very choppy notes, it's called staccato. And the first bar, definitely the first finger for the 3, ring finger for the 5 on your first bar, and then you leave those 2 fingers in those frets. In other words, you don't change hand position, but you do come down a string for the second bar, which now starts in the 5 and gives you your 5, 5, 3, 5, 3. Then you jump back up to the 3, and now we need a 1, so you have no choice but to slide down to here. And then I would personally recommend playing that last 3 of the 3rd bar with the ring finger. So here comes your first 3 bars. I'm going to count you in 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you'll notice I finished off on the ring finger. Now on the last bar of that row, you'll see there's a 1, 2, and I want to use the first finger for the 1, middle finger, excuse that, for the 2, and it leads into the ring finger on the 3. You could also, if you want to, which is probably a better idea, go like this, 1, 2, and then jump. The advantage of the jump is that it puts your finger back in position, because you'll notice the first bar of the second line is the same as the opening bar in the top line. So you're going to go 1, 2, and into the beginning in the next line. And then things change a bit. You're going to go start off the sound double 5, but notice the 3 is no longer here, so you're not doing this, but you're actually going down the string. So it's going to go 5, 5, down, and you'll notice that last 6 at the end, I'm using my pinky for that last 6, and that 6 is going to go from the to the 3, then a double 3, and then to get to the 1, and that's the end of part A. So let's take the whole of part A through slow motion. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2. Notice the rhythm change at the end there. Okay, now we're going to send this through in short videos. This is your first video for part A. Part B, which also part B and E, because there's repetition later in the piece, will be on the next video.